Hi boys and girls, today we are going to do rainbow write. So let's start with your name at the top, and then I'm going to give you the words, and then you write each word in 3 different colors. So your first word is tub. 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 The next word is Gus. Capital G because it's a name. Us. Next word, mug. G. Number 4, jug. J, g. Jug. Number 5 is bus. B, us. Bus. Number 6 is gum. G, gum. Number 7, up. Up. Number 8, hum. Hum. Number 9, us. S. And number 10 is rub. B. Rub. Now I want you to pick 3 colors and write each word 3 different times with those colors. So when you're finished, it should look like this. So you should have 3 different colors, and when you do, put your name at the top, put it in the basket, and start on Lexia.